Hey there, content creators. Movie camera looking to supercharge your video content with AI magic? Introducing Vid-GPT AI, your ultimate sidekick for content creation. Rock it! Today, we're diving into how to use Vid-GPT AI to transform your videos. Step 1. Access Vid-GPT AI Globe. Start by logging into your Vid-GPT AI account. If you're new, sign up, it's a breeze. Step 2. Upload your video cam. Click Upload Video and select your video file. It's that simple. Step 3. Customize your edits paint palette. Choose your editing preferences, style, tone, or specific effects you want. Make it uniquely yours. Step 4. Let AI work its magic robot. Initiate the AI processing, and watch as Vid-GPT AI transforms your video like a pro. Step 5. Review and fine-tune eyes. Once the AI magic is done, review your video. Feel free to make any last-minute tweaks. Step 6. Save and share glowing star. Save your masterpiece in your preferred format and quality. You can download it or share it directly. Vid-GPT AI, where creativity meets artificial intelligence. Rainbow. So, what are you waiting for? Join the content creation revolution with Vid-GPT AI today. Visit our website to get started and follow us on social media for more tips and inspiration. Vid-GPT AI. Elevate your content, elevate your creativity.